In this video, I will show you how you can create an email group on your iPad. Now to create an email group on your iPad, first of all, just open Contacts, then tap on the plus icon to create a new contact. Now from here, just leave the first name and the last name section empty, then tap on Company. And in the Company section, just create a name for your email group. After you create a name for your email group, then just scroll down and tap on Notes. Now in the Notes section, just enter the email address of all the group members and separate each email with a comma as I have done over here. Now after you've done that, now just select all the email addresses like that and select Copy. After you copy all these email addresses, then just scroll down and go to the email section. Then just tap on Add Email and paste the copied email address over here. Now after you paste all the copied email addresses, then just tap on Done to save the contact which we have created. As you can see, this is the contact which we have created. Now to email all the group members, just select the contact which we have created, and over here just tap on the mail icon. And as you can see, by doing that, we will be able to email all the group members with a single click, just like that. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.